Hi, we are from Briar School, Miss Eloho's grade 5-6 class. My name is Daria, and my class and I will be telling you information about gorillas. But first I will tell you some of the things we learned at the Open Minds Calgary Zoo School about gorillas. We learned that their habitat is getting destroyed for a mineral called coltan that is under the ground of their habitat. Another one of the facts that I found interesting that we learned is that we share approximately 98.3% of our DNA with gorillas. There are many fascinating facts about gorillas, and I encourage you to learn and share these facts with others.
Types of gorillas. There are 4 different types of gorillas: mountain gorillas, cross-river gorillas, western lowland gorillas, and eastern lowland gorillas. Did you know that there are 6 western lowland gorillas at the Calgary Zoo?
Eastern lowland gorillas are mainly found in the lush, beautiful, lowland tropical rainforests of the Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo. Over the last 50 years, the space has shrunk by 9,064.958 square kilometers.
Okay, fun facts about gorillas. Gorillas are 98.3% humans in their DNA. Gorillas can weigh over 440 pounds and stand as tall as the average human because they are the biggest primate. Only about 1,063 live in the wild. Adult male gorillas are known as silverbacks, and they fight to become the leader of the troop. There's only been one albino gorilla in the world. He had pink skin and white fur, and his name was Snowflake. There are 2 subspecies of gorillas are the western gorilla and the eastern gorilla, and there are some subspecies.
Go.
They are very social animals, and they live in groups that are called troops. They are very clever animals that have been seen making and using different tools. Gorillas only live in together, and they will not venture out alone. Gorillas live into groups of 5 to 10 and rarely 50. Gorillas' nose prints are similar to their fingerprints. Adult male gorillas can eat up to 40 pounds of vegetation each day.
Did you know that gorillas are smart enough to use sign language? Their favorite food is peanut butter, and gorillas take 10 years to mature. Gorillas' arms are longer than their legs. Gorillas are at least 4 times stronger than humans. Gorillas eat mainly plants, but they also do eat bugs and insects.
And I might be wondering, what's the problem? Why have we been collecting devices such as smartphones, iPads, MP3 players, and chargers? Well, that's because all these things are made very unsustainably. And this is why.
They're bad because they can be very useful and crucial in our daily lives. But with how much is being produced and how often, it has become not good for our gorillas and anything else that lives in this environment.
When companies dig to get coltan, they are finding it primarily in gorilla habitats, and because of gorillas are getting chased out of their homes and forced to flee to other territories that they are not native, making them vulnerable to other gorillas, predators, and poachers.
The reason companies have been trying to collect coltan is so that they can make things society uses daily, such as smartphones, iPads, MP3 players, and chargers. Believe it or not, these things are actually all made out of coltan, and because of society and the amount of people who use these things multiple times a day, gorillas are in fact losing their habitats.
Actually made by something found in gorillas' habitat called coltan. All of these things are really hurting the gorillas because they are critically endangered because of the habitat loss from these coltan miners.
They're just being thrown in the trash the second they get cracked, break, or stop working, which is not sustainable like we said before. But there are other ways to dispose of them, such as donating these devices to Calgary Zoo Wild Institute for them to be recycled.
By now, you're probably wondering what we're doing to help save the gorillas. After being at zoo school within the Wilder Institute Calgary Zoo and learning that they are collecting devices to help the gorillas, our class decided to do the same.
We made an electronic donation bin where people could donate old, broken, or used iPhones, iPads, MP3 players, and chargers. This collection took place between April 3rd and 30th, 2023.
Now that we are done collecting the electronics, we've brought them to the Calgary Zoo, where they will be taken to a different company to extract the coltan.
Help us save the gorillas!
What actions are we making to conserve the gorillas?
Many different organizations are raising awareness, including the Wilder Institute Calgary Zoo.
By donating cell phones and other devices, we can reuse the coltan, and this will help the gorillas because people are currently destroying gorilla habitat to get more, but we won't have to anymore because we will have enough of this mineral.
You
can help by donating your old devices to Briar Hill School between April 3rd and April 30th, 2023.
Some ways to help are by raising awareness, like talking to your friends and family about it, and you can even raise money to help rebuild gorilla habitats.
Spread the word.
Another way to help the gorillas is to watch what you purchase and only buy sustainable paper and wood products.
And remembering to donate to gorillas in the zoo and in the wild.